Ang pinakamahalagang highlight nitong ating first half. With 3 seconds to play sa second quarter natin mga kaibigan. Bola po ng San Miguel Beer. As we take a look at the action, Freddy Abuda, he was bottled up. Nick Velasco putting up the shot, but look at the action between Richard G and Danny Siegel, and that triggered a fracas between San Miguel Beer and Pure Foods Tender Juicy Hot Dogs.
So actually, when the ball was in the air, itong si Richard G using a tactic a lot of players use is habang yung bola nasa air, doon siya bumigay ng siko sa likod ni Danny Siegel. So syempre, ito naman si Siegel, binanatan ka sa likod, babawi din siya. And that started that bench clearing brawl.
And there was even a fan nakikisama doon sa action niyo mga kaibigan. And later ay tumugo po dun sa production room ng Viva Vintage ang technical committee nitong PBA. There's Attorney Ricky Palu, Director for Operations of the PBA. And ano yung mga referees natin, Referee Cruz, there's Chief Romy Guevara. There was andun din si Referee Varela. And they were actually reviewing yung tapes nung pangyayari ngayon. Initially, ang makikita mo doon akalain mo si Danny Siegel talaga yung humabol pagkat siya yung nahuli ng ating camera, yung huling action to. But later on, they discovered it was really triggered by a wayward elbow, intentional elbow given by Richard G. Okay mga kaibigan, yan po ang ating